we're gonna take this. Well, I'm going to take this palette right here. It's a dupe of I believe a Morphe palette. It's a dupe, and we're gonna use these colors right in this palette, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So,
okay, guys, in this palette, I used the pink shade that I saw I shown, but it's all in the bottom, and then a purple shade to deepen up the crease out of this palette. Okay, guys, right here I put some black on my eyes to deepen up the crease. I took the Urban Decay Naked palette, the mini version, and I put the shade Evil into the crease to deepen it up. Okay, guys, now it's time to cut my crease. I am going to be using this Shea Butter Grace Oil. I didn't have no Vaseline around, so we gotta do what we gotta do to cut this crease. So I'm just taking a little bit, and then I'm going to take my brush and cut my crease. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna go ahead with this next white base. I think this one's Pearl. It's called Pearl, and as you can see, I'll be all up in there. But I'm gonna be taking that, and then I'm going to be doing like another cut crease so that I can apply a green shadow, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for the next color, which is going to be orange. Alrighty, guys, here it is. The palette I will be using is the Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. I will be taking the green and the orange out of this to create the look that I'm trying to achieve. Okay, guys, as you can see, I put my orange and green eyeshadow, and now I'm going to go ahead and clean up the orange up, and also I'm going to be patting out that white concealer and setting it with a setting powder. Going to be taking my lash glue to put some chunky glitter on, and these chunky glitters, the link will be in the description bar below. They are from Blessed and Beautiful, so go ahead, get your glitter now, and say that JoanneB sent you. Okay, guys, I forgot to tell you guys this. So when I am applying my glitter, I'm applying it right there on the base of my eyelid, and I am going to be pulling it out at the end as if I'm doing a liner with the glitter, so you guys can see the example.
base real quick, I'm going to be using a Wet n Wild Matte Matte. So my foundation is gonna be, hold on, y'all, because sometimes I'll be playing myself. My foundation is gonna be the 360.
Right here, I will be putting my foundation on, and I will be adding some gold drops. I forgot the name, but it will be in the description bar.
A little too much. And too much to glow, baby. What you talking about? And now I'm going to use this concealer, this Wet n Wild concealer. Foundation is on, glowing and popping, period. And then I'm going to take this concealer right here and I'm going to go ahead into my... I'm going to be taking this concealer in deep. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my Dawn brush, like a little thin Dawn's brush from Wet n Wild. No, I lied. This is from BH Cosmetics. And then I'm going to go ahead and buffer out my concealer. Now I'm going to be setting my face with these two setting powders. This is the one in 20 and the other one is in 35. And the Maybelline Fit Me. And now we're gonna go ahead into this palette, the Juvia's Place palette. If you have seen my previous videos, I've been using this to contour. I've been using Kenya. So now I'm gonna sweep away this concealer and I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Finish Prime Stay Finish Powder. Lord, couldn't get that out. And I'm just gonna use this brush right here I got off AliExpress. I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep it away. Pat and sweep. Y'all see that? And then go right over it. Oh, I know you didn't, girl. Where you find that foundation from? Girl, 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 girl. Okay. It's okay. Okay, so here that goes, baby girl. Hey, that goes. Hey. Okay, now it's time to move on to the blush so we can wrap this baby up. I'm like, girl, hurry up. I'm trying to love this look already, but you didn't hurry up, boo. So we're gonna use this palette right here. My blush palette from that hair store. Hair store. Okay, from the hair store. And we're gonna go ahead. It broke. Yes, it did. So you saw I took the top off. I'm going to use this nice little brush. My cousin ordered it. I took it from her. I don't know where she got it from, but it's mine now. So we're going to take these two colors. Sometimes if I want to be extra rosy, I touch that one, but not today. And we're just going to go ahead into it. So smile. Smile like when you see your man come to the door. thing. The highlights I'm going to be using today is going to be the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream palette. But for this, I'm going to take Champagne in LA Colors. This is so good though. Is it Champagne? Yeah, this is Champagne and this is Summer Sun. Summer Sun though? Summer Sun is summer fun, okay? Sexy summer baddie, okay? Then this one is Champagne. If you know, it's a bubbly Champagne. This your girl. So right here, I'm gonna take this brush right here I got from Amazon. They're the MSQ brushes. So I'm gonna take a little bit. This one though, you gotta be careful with this one. This one is like a, you gotta be careful with that one, baby girl, because she a little dangerous, okay? She be shine bright like a diamond. Okay, anyhow, we're gonna go ahead. I had put some in here, but I feel as though it went over. So for this highlight, I'm gonna go into the Dream palette, and I think what I want to take is I'm gonna take my highlighter brush from, this is from Shein, and I'm gonna go in with this. How about I touch everybody? I touch everybody, right? Just touch everybody. Stop, Joanne. Set your face with Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Girl, you really eat. All right. Let her sit in real good. Tap that excess out if there's any. Where do you go? Okay. Alrighty guys, so now it's time to be done and move on to the lips. So what we're gonna do is move on to the lips. Hey, yeah. Move on, move. Okay, guys. Okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna just go ahead and move on to the lips. So we're gonna take, where the hell are you? Okay. The RK by Kisses lipstick, and this is a matte one, and this is this dark plum. It's like a really dark brown, but that's okay because we got this. It's a real dark brown. I'm gonna use this to outline my lips. Guys, I have this bump. Ugh. For my middle lip, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild concealer and put it right in my middle of my lip, just to do like a cute little lip combo. And I'm gonna take a brush to pat it around too, just so I make sure I get how I want it to be. Okay guys, this is the look. I hope you guys like it. Let a girl know what you think about it. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this look. I like to get into the highlight, as we always should and do. The highlight. I feel like the lips are a little too bold because of the lip liner I use, but then again, I don't think so. So what do you guys think? Drop it in the comment section below. I hope you guys all love this look, enjoyed this look, and I hope I see you guys in my next video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel.